In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a query in Grafana Cloud to display your data in a panel. By the end, you'll know how to open the panel editor, pick the right data source, build a query for either live or historical data, preview the results, and save your work back to a dashboard. Let's start by opening the panel editor. From your Grafana Cloud interface, head to Dashboards, choose New Dashboard, and then select Add a New Panel. This opens the editor where you can write queries and see the visualization update in real time. Think of this as your workspace. The query section defines what data you want, and the visualization shows how it's displayed. You can name the panel later before saving. Next, select your data source. In the Queries section, open the Data Source drop-down and choose the one that matches where your data lives, such as Grafana, Prometheus, or Loki. If you don't see the source you expect, make sure it's been configured in your instance and that you have access to it. Now, let's start a query. If you're using Grafana Live Measurements, set the query type to Live Measurements. Then choose a channel from the drop-down. The channel represents your live data stream. Once selected, the panel will begin streaming data as soon as it's available. If you're using another data source like Prometheus or Loki, type your metric, log, or field into the query box. You can refine the results by adding label filters or expressions. For Prometheus, start with a metric name and narrow it with label selectors. For Loki, use a log stream selector, then add filters or parsing as needed. Grafana often provides autocomplete hints, which can help you discover available metrics and labels quickly. Preview your data by clicking Run Queries, or simply watch the panel auto-update if you're streaming live data. If the results aren't what you expect, adjust your query until the values and timestamps make sense. A helpful tip: confirm your time range and refresh settings in the dashboard toolbar to make sure you're looking at the correct window. If you see an error, check the query syntax and any label names for typos. When you're happy with the results, you can optionally click Save Query so you can reuse it later. Then click Apply to save the panel to your dashboard. Give the panel a clear title so your team knows what it shows. And that's how you write a query in Grafana Cloud. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.